MI Viewer includes a number of tools for working with graphs. Use the crosshairs to identify points. Click Copy for an image of the graph, for documents and emails. Click Graph Tools for more advanced graph functions. We can view all the data points. This list can be filtered. We can return to the datasheet, or use the browser's back button to return to Graph Tools. Save the data to Excel. Use Interpolate to find the modulus of rupture at a particular d/t and L/d value. Data links and metadata are also shown in Graph Tools.